Hello, dear Family First families.
Welcome to August 11th, 2026 on the Family Life Skills Calendar.
Let's celebrate India's spirit in a meaningful and mindful way by making your very own DIY craft, Freedom Flag, as a family. Step 1. Gather eco-friendly materials. Start by collecting items like newspaper, fabric scraps, old magazines, dried leaves, turmeric for saffron, and blue pens or bottle caps for the Ashoka chakra. Step 2. Design and craft together. Lay out the base, perhaps an old cardboard sheet or a canvas bag. Assign colors to each family member. One handles saffron, another white, a third green, and someone takes on the blue wheel. Work as a team to arrange and glue your materials creatively. Step 3. Add personal family symbols. Add a twist. Along with the tricolor, each member can include a small symbol representing your family, like a heart, book, music note, or tree. Step 4. Reflect on what the flag means. As your flag dries, talk about what each color stands for. Saffron for courage, white for peace, green for growth, and blue for truth. Ask your children how they show these values in their daily life. Step 5. Display and celebrate. Take a picture with your family's freedom flag and hang it proudly on a door or wall. Call it our flag of values. You could even share it with friends or teachers. Today's DIY flag celebrates not just creativity but character and care for the environment, our family, and our nation. Thanks for joining us. See you tomorrow for another inspiring activity from the Family Life Skills Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from the Family First team, thank you and all the best.